Hi guys, in this video I will be showing you how to do your back tightening. On the waistline right at the center back, you want to come in by 0.75, and you can decide to use 0.5, you can decide to use 1 inch, but not more than 1 inch. But as for me, I love using 0.75. So you come in by 0.75 on your waistline at the center back. This is going to be connected. We're going to draw out a line connecting that particular point to the hip line. That's what you see me doing. I'm trying to get my hip line because this is very important. Yeah, the hip line, after which we'll go ahead and then connect the line, you see, from the center back on the waist to the hip line, and also all the way to the neckline, the back neckline. Yeah, touching on the neck depth. Yeah, that's the neckline. So that particular part, you need to cut it out. That is one way to avoid a back bulge, which works for most people. I'll say it works for most people yeah, that I've ever sewn for, be it a people of different sizes. This actually works for me, so I thought of sharing this with you guys. And the another thing I want to chip in is, when you're measuring your dart intake, you want to determine the dart line, you have to start from the main center back, the real center back, not on the line we came in by 0.754 for the back tightening. So it has to be from the actual center back, and that is what you see me doing in the video. I want to take my dart intake. I just thought of chipping this in. At least somebody will learn or benefit or be useful. This particular part will be useful for someone, so that you don't make mistake of starting at where the back tightening line is. So that is how to do it. So you go ahead and then get your dart done, just the same way you see me, the same thing you see me doing the video. Yeah, and there's one more thing I want to say. That's when putting in or plotting your bust, your waist and your hip line, you also need to know where you are meant to place the tape to start your measurement from. Okay, after doing this, which is, I want to determine my armhole, need to plot the armhole for the back. Then I'll show you what the next thing I feel I should share with you guys. Yeah, so that's for the armhole. So take my ruler, connect that to the shoulder slant, and now to take the measurement of your bust, see where I placed the tape. It has to be on the new line we drew for the back intake, not from the actual center back. You see what I've done on the waist as well. On the point, at the point where we came in by 0.75, you put your waist, then stay include your dart intake. My there is 1.5. On the hips, just go ahead and put your hip, 1/4 of your hip measurement, 1/4 of your waist measurement, 1/4 of your bust measurement. Then you connect it together. So the essence of the tutorial, like I said, of this video is just to show you how to do your back tightening. Is important. That will ensure that you don't have this folding of a thing at the back of your outfit. And then there are we have some people that has this deep center back. If you are one of them, or you have a client like that no matter how much you try to tighten the back, there's still a folding at the back. I'm going to drop a video later in the day showing you another thing you need to do to avoid such. Thank you.